Why are there no fishes, man? What?
What, is there supposed to be fishes over here?
Heck yeah. It's a beach.
It's
Water.
an ocean.
It's water, alright.
It's an ocean.
There's supposed to be fish in water. You don't buy a tank, aquarium tank, and don't put fish. A bird, look at a bird. Oh, look at a bird. See why it's safe. Birds can swim there. See, if there's birds there, then there's fishes there. Because they eat the fish, duh.
Oh.
Common science. Hello. See, what I'm wondering is, why is it only seaweed that way?
Because of the...
Not metang ibang one, yeah. Like, open.
Bless you.
Gotta go around, away from you guys.
Yeah, and then you just sneeze directly, so who had?
There was a guy in the boat right there for.
He's fishing now.
He's fishing because there's fishes everywhere.
I just want to call that
You see that? You see that dark spot there? It's Godzilla. Godzilla.
How deep do you think that is to begin with?
Right there?
Yeah.
Not even that deep.
Yeah, well, it gets deep right away though. Like, it's just a rock.
Oh.
Yeah.